let's go. Tar now, let's journey together. Join Aldin TV, feel the wonder. In the land where heartbeats echo, our Mother Earth a vivid glow. 7,000 islands wrapped in green, with oceans wide, a breathtaking scene. Let's dive into the forest deep and explore the caves where secrets sleep. Feel the breeze, let it guide your way. In the beauty of our home, let's play. Damhin ang kalikasan, it's our call. Together we rise, together we'll stand tall. Oh, can you feel that rush? The whispers of the trees in a soft hush. Let's splash around the waterfalls. Nature's embrace, let the adventure enthrall. Yeah, sabay ang sinilangan, we'll make memories hand in hand. With every step, our spirit's free. Here's to the earth, our harmony. We'll find magic in every leaf, in every Aldin TV, feel the nature, makipag-ugnayan sa kalikasan. Pakalmahin ang kalooban, kalimutan muna ang mga problema. Tayo na at magpahinga. Relax ka muna, kaibigan.
Camping tayo ngayon sa Patar Bolinao. Si Bumblebee ang kasama natin ngayon, ang ating Ortillo. Kasama ko si Hershey. Ayan. Yes. Overnight hammock camping kami. Hindi pala, tent, magte-tent kami. Kasi ito yung dala ko. Full pack na tayo. Ito yung galing kay Boy Pinano na camping box. Dalaw na tayo dyan, tubig. Meron na tayong, dala ko yung aking inassemble na na DIY na power station. So let's G, takits. Ba yan?
Mabibagong na yan sa kalikasan. kalmahin ang kalooban. Kalimutan mo na ang mga problema.
Doon sa baba. Ang gandang tubig. Meron din sila mga kumu for rent dito.
Yeah, let's go. Tower now. Let's journey together. Join Aldin TV, feel the wonder. In the land where heartbeats echo, our Mother Earth a vivid glow. 7,000 islands wrapped in green, with oceans wide, a breathtaking scene. Let's dive into the forest deep and explore the caves where secrets sleep. Feel the breeze, let it guide your way. In the beauty of our home, let's play. Damhin ang kalikasan, it's our call. Together we rise, together we'll stand tall. Oh, can you feel that rush? The whispers of the trees in a soft hush. Let's splash around the waterfalls. Nature's embrace, let the adventure enthrall. Yeah, sabay ang sinilangan, we'll make memories hand in hand. With every step, our spirit's free. Here's to the earth, our harmony. We'll find magic in every leaf, in every stream, let go of grief. Let's celebrate what we hold dear. In this land we love, let's bring cheer. So, Tara na, future shines bright.
Time check, 10:30 na ng gabi. So, narinig niyo ba yung hampas ng mga alon? Sarap pakinggan, nakaka-relax. So, hanggang dito na lang ngayong gabi. Kita tayo bukas. Good night. All you need is a good dose of vitamin C.
vibrancy in the heart of the wild where we're meant to be. Nature calls, feel that breeze. Tarana, Bumia, let's break free. See, Aldin TV, begun, come roll with me. We'll hike the mountains, climb the tallest trees. Waterfalls flowing, got that serenity. The rhythm of the earth, now that's the remedy. With the stars above, we'll ignite the night. Nature's the canvas, everything feels right. Ang sarap, makipagugnayan sa kalikasan. Living off the grid, that's the ultimate plan. Let's ride with the wind. Come on, let's explore.
Son of a bitch.
In the arms of nature, we'll never feel poor. Breathe in that life. Oh, can't you see? See Aldin TV. Come connect with me. Yeah, the trees wave hello. Feel that river flow. Nature's got the glow. Tarana, let's go. Yeah, strum that guitar. Let the beats drop. Feeling the vibes, can't stop, won't stop. With every step we take, discover the land. Living our best lives hand in hand. Underneath the sun, catching rays like dreams. From sunrise to sunset, feel the vibrant themes. Wildflowers bloom in colors so bright. Aldin TV on the scene, shining through the night. Putting on my shades, skies wide and clear. Nature's my home, there's nothing to fear. Leave the hustle behind, just you and me. Finding peace in the wild, that's the key. Let's ride with the wind. Come on, let's explore. In the arms of nature, we'll never feel bored. Breathe in that life. Oh, can't you see? See Aldin TV. Come connect with me. So much beauty around, take it all in. Let the worries fade out, let the journey begin. With every trail we follow, let our spirits soar. Through the waves and the forests, we're craving for more. So let's raise our hands to the sky so blue. In this moment together, it's just me and you. See Aldin TV guide me again, always by your side. I'm surrounded, makipagugnayan sa kalikasan. Let's ride, Tarana, Bumiyahe. Our adventures alive in the heart of nature. That's where we thrive.
Ocean breeze puts my mind at ease. The beach is my happy place. I followed my heart and it led me to the beach. A day at the beach restores the soul. Galing naman. Itong cottages na ito ay 500 pag day tour. Pag overnight is 800. Free na yung tent pitching. Free na rin yung entrance. Ang bigger cottage na to ay good for 20 packs. 2K daw ito overnight. Free na rin yung tent pitching, free na yung entrance, free parking. Life's too short to not enjoy the beach.
Feeling the vibes, can't stop, won't stop. With every step we take, discover the land, living our best lives, hand in hand. Underneath the sun, catching rays like dreams from sunrise to sunset.